Let us understand the PowerPoint presentation in detail by taking one existing template. Click on Microsoft Office button and then press New command. New presentation pop-up screen appeared. Here you can choose the installed template. A list of built-in or installed template appeared here. Choose a template which you like. Then click on Create button. These are different slides of the template you have chosen. The selected slide in Slides tab appeared in Design View. See, here I am selecting this slide. Move the mouse over it and click. This slide has been selected. Here I am copying this slide to somewhere else in the presentation. Click on Copy command. Then selected slide copied and ready to paste. I am choosing this place to paste this slide here. See, the selected slide copied here. One more thing you have to understand that this is the normal view or design view of the presentation. Go to View tab. Now let's see slideshow view, that is audience view. Click on this slideshow command to run the presentation. These are the views of the slides when you present your presentation to the audience. Do you know how to exit from PowerPoint? Let us see how. Click on Microsoft Office button and then click on Exit PowerPoint button from the appeared menu. See, the PowerPoint has been closed. Now, children, let us know how to create slides through blank presentation. Blank presentation is that we are not going to use existing templates for creating the presentation. Click on Microsoft Office button. Click on New command from the appeared menu. Here you can choose the blank presentation. Click on Create button. This is the PowerPoint window with blank presentation. The presentation having one slide with two placeholders. Here I am going to add some text. Click on the first placeholder. And type the text, Learn PowerPoint. Click on next placeholder. The blinking object is the cursor which enables you to type in the placeholder. You can check the outside the placeholder, you cannot get that blinking object. So it is not possible to type something outside the placeholder. Here I am going to prepare one slide with school name and address. This slide by default having two placeholders. One is title and second one is subtitle. Here I am clicking on title placeholder. The blinking object is cursor which enables you to type something. Here I would like to type title as Little Flower School. To make the text as bold, select the text and click on bold command. Now the title appeared in bold. Click on next placeholder. Here I would like to type address of the school. For left alignment, select the text and click on left alignment button. Provide bullets to the text. Click on bullets command. To save the presentation, click on save button. Save dialog box appeared. Choose the location to save the file and type the file name. Here I am typing the file name as Little Flower School. Click on save button. See, this presentation is saved with the name Little Flower School. Children, do you know what is save as? Save as means saving the same file with a different name. I would like to get another copy of this same file. So I am going to use save as command. Click on Microsoft Office button. Click on save as command from the appeared menu. Save as dialog box appeared. Here you can choose the location and type the file name you want. Click on save button. Now observe the title bar of the file. This file saved as Little Flower School 1. Now you have two copies of this presentation. One is Little Flower School and second one is Little Flower School 1. I am going to add new slide to this presentation. Click on new slide menu. Different themes of slides appeared. Choose one of them. The selected slide is title slide. This is title and content slide. This slide having the default provision to add different content like images, clip art, movie clip, etc. This is the another theme of slide, section header. This is the comparison slide. This is the blank slide having no placeholder. Here I am choosing title slide. Click on it. See the selected slide added to the presentation. Here in slides tab, you can reorder the slide. Select the slide and click on mouse left button. Drag it to down and release the mouse. See, the slides order has been changed. Like this, you can reorder the slide. I am going to show you how to copy the slide. Select the slide and click on mouse right button. Choose copy from the appeared menu. Now click on this area and click on mouse right button. Choose paste from the appeared menu. For more understanding, now I would like to copy this slide. Select the slide. Click on mouse right button. Choose copy from the appeared menu and right click on this area. Choose paste from the appeared menu. Now let us see how to delete the slide. Select the slide and click on mouse right button. Choose delete command from the appeared menu. See, the slide has been deleted. Here I am deleting one more slide. Select the slide. Click on mouse right button. Choose delete command from the appeared menu. Here I would like to move the slide to first. To do this, select the slide and drag the mouse to first position. Now let us understand how to copy the slide using keyboard. Press Ctrl C, that is, press and hold Ctrl key and then press C. The slide has been copied to memory. Now Ctrl V, that is, press and hold Ctrl key and then press V. See, the copied slide appeared. For better understanding, again I am copying the slide. Select the slide. Ctrl C, that is, press and hold Ctrl key and then press C. The slide has been copied into the memory. I want to copy this slide here. Press Ctrl V, that is, press and hold Ctrl key and then press V. See, the copied slide appeared here.